Hey everyone, this is going to be a video series about how to create that sort of effect. So we're gonna focus mainly on trails, which will be ribbons, and also we're gonna think about this mask material ribbon that we're gonna have in the front of our trail. Okay, this could be as a projectile, and there is many cases that you can actually use ribbons in video games. We're gonna start first by going to Substance Design, and we're gonna build a set of textures, as you can see here. Hopefully there'll be enough time to build all of those, and we're gonna create like a trail generator essentially, where we're gonna modify a couple settings, and it's gonna give us some really nice trails that we could use in our projectiles or trails. And we also are going to build just one material that's gonna help us to achieve this look for those trails and for that projectile. Okay, so first maybe I like to dive into Substance and create resources, which will be textures in our case. And then we can start thinking about how we can create a material with those textures. And obviously, if you have to make some modifications, we can easily go back to Substance Designer and apply those and export them again into the Unreal Engine. All right, so I love that workflow personally. It's a node-based workflow. First, we're creating some nodes in Substance and then creating nodes in Unreal Engine. To me, I really love that workflow, and I hope to show you how I work and how I create my effects in Unreal Engine. All right, so let's start first by diving into Substance Designer, and we're gonna create a set of textures, which we later gonna use in the material and finally in Niagara. All right, so see you in Substance.